In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail chat availability status. Let's get started right from your Gmail inbox. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll usually see your profile picture and, just beside your list of labels and emails, you should see the chat section if Google Chat is enabled for your account. In the chat panel, find your own name or profile at the top of the list. Next to it, you'll see a small status indicator, often a colored dot or an icon that shows whether you're active, away, or in Do Not Disturb mode. This is what we're going to change. Click on that status indicator or on your name in the chat area. A small menu will appear, showing different availability options. Typically, you'll see choices like Active, Do Not Disturb, and maybe Away or Automatic. Active tells others you're available and likely at your computer. Do Not Disturb is useful when you want to focus, because it can mute notifications and signals that you'd rather not be contacted right now. Away can indicate that you're not currently at your device, and Automatic lets Google decide your status based on your activity. Choose the status that best reflects your availability by clicking on it. As soon as you select one, your status icon will update right away, and your contacts will see this new availability when they look at your name in chat. This can be especially helpful for coworkers or classmates who rely on chat to know when it's a good time to reach you. If you ever change your mind or your situation changes, you can repeat the same process at any time. Just click your status again and select a different option. Some versions of Gmail Chat may also let you add a short custom message, like in a meeting or working remotely, which can give a bit more context to your contacts. Remember that your status is tied to your Google account, so it may also appear in other Google Chat apps, such as the standalone chat website or the mobile app, depending on how you use them. Keeping your status up to date is a simple but effective way to manage expectations and communicate your availability without sending a message every time. That's all you need to do to change your Gmail chat availability status.